Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Capture. If you are a salary employee, this video is for you. Your Form 16 has been released and it's time to file your income tax return, also called ITR. The last date to file your ITR for financial year 2025-2026 is 31st July 2026. If you haven't filed your returns yet, don't worry. I will show you how you can make the process simple. Many people have the questions like, how do I file my ITR? Which ITR form should I choose? Do I need a chartered account? How can I avoid filing mistakes? To help with these questions, we have partnered with ClearTax. Using the top made link in the description, you can get a step-by-step guide to filing your ITR, easy instructions for beginners, information about the CA assist filing plans. Also, we provide exclusive discounts coupons with the savings of up to 75% on expert assist filing. If you are filing your ITR for first time or want professional support, this guide can help you complete the process correctly and on time. Filing your ITR early has many benefits. It helps you avoid the last minute rush, reduce the chances of errors, and ensure faster processing of your return. If you would like the complete filing guide and exclusive offers, simply click the top made link in the description below. You will get everything you need to understand the filing process and choose the right option for your situation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will continue sharing useful videos on careers, technology, interview preparations and personal finance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.